What is your will, my master?
Hey, what's up, Ryan? Quick demo video for you for your Roman props, MK1. This guy takes a lot of work, but got it done today. As you know, and I don't have it in front of me, but when this showed up in the mail, your cold sink knob on your pummel was broken. There was a few tabs that were broken off and it wouldn't stay on. So you know about that and you'll get another one. So for right now, it doesn't have that. This is done with the Shtok chassis that you provided. And you can kind of see that in there in the light, maybe. Put this light like this. You can see it better like that, right? So you've got, this is installed with the CFX, so you've got your kill switch, access to your micro USB, your SD card, and then you've got a 1.3mm recharge port down here. Shtok V3 NPXLs in here, and then you also have V3 NPXLs in the top of the Rudy Pando chamber. So 2-button setup. Your front switch over here is your activation under the bubble strip, and then your back switch will be your auxiliary. So we take this and just flip on the kill key, or the kill switch rather, and then hit power. You see your LEDs lighting up in there. Good smooth swing, flash on flash. Auxiliary, or hold it down for blade lockup. Now if we left this open, or left this on, you can bring this up and expose your Pando chamber right there. And you've got the one gribbly in the back that you provided, the Shtok gribblies for the chamber. They're all in there, right? Now you've got one single crystal in here, but I put 2 different neopixel accents. So there's a neopixel on the bottom and there's one on the top, so we can light that entire thing up nice and even. And then if I were to let's slap this back on and lock it down, if I were to take the top part off, you can see you've got your NPXLs in there too. And of course your blade side PCB. The holder that you sent for the blade side PCB was a little bit too small, so I went ahead and I printed my own, and this one works out really well, right? So it's locked down in there. You're good to go. To change sound fonts, this just has a stock font package on it right now. But to change sound fonts, you just want to hold down the auxiliary button.
Sound bank selection.
You can use either button to cycle up or down.
Crystal focus. Crystal focus.
Nebula.
Grainy. Yummy.
This is General Kenobi.
When you find one you like, just hold the button down.
Goodness, you're not one to trifle with, are you? You can't win. Let the negotiations begin.
Of course, this is set on red, so we just want to hold down the aux and twist the saber.
Spectrum.
You hear that? And then you can twist the saber and cycle through different colors. So we find let's find a blue. Just tap a button, just like that. Now we got a blue blade. When we turn it back on, it'll be blue.
Our guests have arrived. Let the negotiations begin.
Yeah. So very solid saber. This is actually one of my favorite sabers. I've got one in a case back there. I just don't have it installed. It's a static for mine. But yeah, that's pretty much your saber. Hey Ryan, I forgot to show you the Bluetooth module. So I'm recording this part separate and I'm going to shove this piece of the video inside the demo somewhere. But you do have a Bluetooth in here. We'll turn this back on.
Surely we can be civilized about this.
Go to your phone and you'll need to download the ForceSync app. Looks like this. If it asks you for a password when pairing, just hit pair. You don't need to tap in a password. It'll pop up as the FSC BT909. That's the one you want to hit. So we'll hit that one. Hold this here. Hit CFX, right? We'll tap CFX, and then I'll go remote control. Turn this on.
Our guests have arrived. Let the negotiations begin.
Clash. Swings. Lock up. Force. With some blasters. You can adjust volume. Down low. All the way back up high. Some stabs. And then turn it back off.
There's never time to limber up.
One more time.
Lovely.
On.
All smiling faces. Let the negotiations begin.
Off. Just like that. So yeah, I had forgot to put that in the main video, so you'll see this little clip pressed into the main demo somewhere. All right, thanks. I'll make you a blade when the Custom Saber shop has some thin wall blade material back in stock. They're out right now, and of course this is made for a recessed blade, and it needs a thin wall blade. So yeah, I'll hang on to the PCB holder that you gave me for the blade, and when that comes back in stock, I'll make a blade for you, and it's a done deal, right? But I'll go ahead and I'll ship this out tomorrow. Let me know if you got any questions, and if not, that's what we'll do. All right, thanks.